in a few weeks, we're going to start the Make Your Mark class, and it's going to be 10 weeks where there will be a mix of me sharing some of my experience, my tips, my tricks and methodology to run my project and basically make my own mark in my portfolio. There will be a lot of learning by doing. I've also prepared a lot of activities where we will all sketch together, we'll get guidance from each other as well, and that would be the opportunity to build your own self-project and mainly build confidence that you're able to do your project, choosing your own brief, knowing when it's good enough, ideating without getting blocked, getting the right inspiration, and at the end that in 1 year or 3 years you'll still look back and be happy. In this class I will also reflect on my own experience and show you not only the thing that worked for me but also the thing that did not work. So I hope we will all learn together and mostly that you will have fun. We'll have a bunch of projects at the end that you're able to proudly share, and I will also touch into what sort of asset do you need to share your story and share your explorations. I hope you will have fun. I'm looking forward to meet with all of you.